Hey, what's up guys, hope all of you are doing well. So there's a new August update available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra that you guys might be missing out. So today in this video, we will check out that update and also we will talk about the One UI 8 official update. So starting off with the August update, so for that you will have to go into the settings, then you have to tap on software update, then download and install. From here you will get to see the new update available of 569 MB in size, and it is the August security patch. So this update includes some device stability improvements and some bugs and issues are fixed that were there before. Once the update is downloaded, you will have to restart, but make sure to restart it when your device is completely free, as during this installation process you will be unable to use your phone. And once your phone is free, simply tap on restart now and the update will be installed on your device. As you can see, now the update is installed and now my phone is on the latest August 1st 2025 security patch. Also, when I will check for the new updates from download and install, it will say that it is on the latest August 1st 2025 security patch. And now if we talk about the One UI 8 official update, so the One UI 8 official update is most probably to be released in the month of September. From the Samsung newsroom, they have said that in the month of September, the One UI 8 official update will be most probably released for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Currently the S25 series is on the beta version, but the sad part about the beta version is that it is only limited to some countries. So the countries that are not eligible for the beta update have to wait for the official update. And that's it for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about this new August update that you guys might be missing out. And if you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.